I'm Neil Savage. I'm the Director of Global Fulfillment and Supply Chain at Lucira. I'm the guy that ships product. Lucira Health has a unique test-at-home platform that allows us to provide a product to consumers that can be used at home for a variety of different ailments. ALOM brings multiple things to the table that allow us to be successful in the supply chain. Number one, they bring the flexibility of having multiple sites. And number two, it's the ability to be flexible and scale up to size and meet customer demand. The relationship management is strong, and we have a trust factor with them that we didn't with anyone else. One of ALOM's strengths is their quality department and the ability to partner with us and help us navigate the specific FDA requirements. ALOM provides us with traceability and real-time data in a way that no other partner could provide for us. This is exciting and allows us to get to market quickly and have an edge with the competition. With ALOM's certified prescription medical expertise, it allows us to trust that we have a partner that can execute. We know that we'll have product available in real time at the right time that we can produce and ship to the right locations. ALOM provides Lucira Health with an extremely critical competitive advantage. It allows us to come to market quickly, serve patient needs, and ultimately save lives. For Lucira Health, what's next is launching multiple products and expanding into different markets across the globe. ALOM will be a critical part of helping us achieve that vision. We are glad that we chose ALOM as a partner, and I personally am glad that we did. I literally sleep better at night knowing that our product and our services are in their hands.